catch 'em all.
I know, she wasn't on our team, you know?
Right. She's
right here.
She a trader.
Right.
So Mike got the BMW yesterday or Friday. Brand new. With them chicken strips.
That's why I said 2 o'clock at the
Brand new. Hey, turn the key for me, Mike. Get that sweet intro. Low fuel. Man, you been sitting here at the gas station and get no fuel yet? Oh, okay. You just ain't do it. Oh, you probably got to start it then. Yeah.
Hold on. But you said
Dang. Yeah, you should have hooked up with you yesterday.
Yeah, I was trying to surprise y'all. So if I had said what was going on,
Right.
so I'm like,
I want to see you send it to me.
Right.
That nigga shit,
And he got his crew.
Hey, let's say this, Mike. Okay, now you got a 2022, right? Okay, so let's just see. You got this 22. No, this is 2022. Straight off the line. Let's call it. Let's see what's popping. Yeah, so let's see what's popping. Ain't no fucking work. Let's see what's popping. I'm saying. Why? Oh. Well, Eddie will beat him on this today. He'll get him again.
everybody gonna beat me. From now on, everybody gonna beat me. Keon's way?
Yeah, that was Ken. Let's take that Ken already out.
What KJ say?
He just got up.
Oh, hell.
You going that
Hey,
way?
we weren't waiting on the huh?
He ain't trying to ride.
Huh?
You coming?
Ken. This
Was he at the crib?
Y'all been riding like homies every day. Now you ain't fucking with him.
That's the Aprilia.
That's Christian right there. That's Christian.
Okay.
Ain't no take off. And this on the way back, I got 3. Cause at that point, it's MI12 and shit running out. We taking off right now. And you can hear him kind of come on the side, but he's claiming this and shit. That's just one of the 3. If he's gonna pass, you'll be on that side. It's on the way back. You not even up there, cause we up top. We up top. We had like, when he passed me at 175, y'all. And he didn't even pass, he passed like that, he getting out of it. Maybe like a fender. You don't see that. You just see as we going like that. That's how high we are. We up top.
Okay, why y'all can't race from stop? Period. From stop. Let's go to mile and let's just see. Let's just race.
Oh, you want to
Oh,
mile?
that roll on, that's not no real fucking race.
I mean, roll-ons, you just testing your horsepower.
Yeah.
This ain't
testing
no
your
real race, though. I'm just saying.
But then with the roll-ons,
Nigga said this
still-
shit. He told me what this shit do, dog.
Oh, that's
He
fine.
205, 210. Nigga,
That's fine. My bike is 200 and some horsepower, but he got built. His head is built, so he got an advantage up top. So when you work with something like that, and my shit don't have a built head, win is a win. You know. That's
Well, that's why I say let's see what Mike shit do. This is 2022.
Mike shit ain't.
He got the
He fucking
2022.
over everybody.
My shit's fine.
Mike got the 2022.
Hey, then on top of that, I'm gonna sing Mike to myself. We got out yesterday, spoke with 650 and he's a Aprilia. Now his shit done up.
Oh, the engine work? He did have
I mean, he got some shit going too.
Okay.
Still had nice runs with him.
Well, how fast do it go? Because you talking about like this bike, right?
Yeah. That Aprilia ain't no joke. A time, shit. What my man say he went? He got to like 193?
193. He said that shit was still pulling.
You seen the video, did you?
How you pull yours up?
Yeah, I seen one video, but I don't know if that was him riding on it or
I'm
not.
talking about the boat
What?
you got where You ain't ever show Eddie that shit on your thing?
What?
On your dash when it say how fast you went?
Oh, no, not yet.
No, both videos. One I gave him a 2-bike hit, and he just kept. That's the one I said, bike. I'm at 186, and he's still pulling.
Right.
That was what's his name?
That was Slim Thug.
Yeah, Slim Thug.
Oh, that was yesterday?
Yeah, that was yesterday.
Oh, I thought you talking about another day. Because I seen his, I seen that somebody racing 650E's bike on another day, and the speedometer goes past 189. 189. I seen 193. Yeah. So it unlocks like the Ducati. The Ducati unlocks too.
The Slim Thug said he seen 193.
Yeah. I didn't know he was. I didn't know he meant that yesterday though.
Yeah, that video. I'm at 186, bro. And
Yeah, he was still
only
pulling
go,
too.
like 190, but it takes some distance. That bitch is like gone.
Damn.
And then I was telling Mike the gearing on that bitch is like 1641. So you can. Ours is 1745. So we would have to drop a gear just to even get that top speed. Like
Oh,
like
okay.
those bikes.
Right.